Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol HEPA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're new to charts and not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Well, I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Quite the eventful day today, not only from the price action point of view, but you look down there at the volume, well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on it. So let's map out some areas of support, and then we can talk levels of resistance. So the first level of support is certainly the ideal level. Meaning, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute best? That would be if the price just finally has leveled off right here. I mean, at 340, you can see several times this afternoon, the bears were trying to press down below there, but to give credit where credit's due, the bulls held strong, and you want to see that remain the case. Now, if that doesn't happen, then what I would consider the must-hold level, no excuses, is down here at $3. Why is $3 so important? Well, I'm not saying this will occur, but just to kind of better clarify and explain why I would consider that a very, very important level. But let's say that the price were to come down to 3 and then just continue on down. What would that be doing to the price at that point in time? At that point, from a very literal perspective, that'd be putting the price right back inside of that range that it just broke out of. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true strength or true power or anything like that. Whereas on the flip side, if the price came down here, bounce around $3 and then eventually started to work its way back upwards, now all of a sudden what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have these lows down there, and if you envision each of those as stair steps, well, hey, at least at that point in time, you have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. And that's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And in this situation, quote-unquote progress, I'm being defined as that $3 mark. Now, what about areas of resistance if this attempts to bounce? Initial area of resistance is just simply where that bounce, that final 30 minutes ran out of steam, and that sits right there at $3.70. If the price can push up through there, then the next key area after that, up there right around $4.20. So there's definitely some room for this thing to get moving again to the upside. But yeah, there was definitely a big pullback today. And while it's a rough-looking chart right now, you still can't say that the overall thing is ruined because as I've demonstrated, the price does still have the opportunity to chip away and build a higher base. So let's see if the bulls can get that job done or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.